Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 5 science teacher and today I am going to explain you the two important terms, and one is fertilization and the other is seed dispersal. So let us first start with fertilization. Fertilization is the fusing of male reproductive part cell with the female reproductive part cell. So, when the male part is mixed or joined with the female reproductive part, that's called the fusion. In that reference, I would explain it with the help of this diagram. You can see the egg cell, it will develop into the plant embryo. Remember, that's the baby plant. And you can see ovule, these are the eggs, ovums, and they will develop into the seed. Ovary is the place where the ovules are kept. This is the place is called ovary, and it will develop into fruit. So this is the process of fertilization. Then I will explain you about seed dispersal. Seed dispersal means that scattering of fruits and seeds in different directions. Now there are main agents of seed dispersal. Let me discuss the various agents of seed dispersal. One is the wind. So dispersal takes place in many ways through agents of dispersal like wind, and other is water, and then the third is explosion action, and the fourth is animals. Not only animals but human beings, animals, birds and insects, they all also help in scattering the seeds and fruits from one place to another. Now dispersal by wind is that wind also take away the light seeds and fruits from one place to another. You can see how the seeds are taken. Have a look at these seeds. They are very light seeds. You must have seen these type of seeds away. They are like feather like seeds. And over here also sycamore and dandelion seeds, they are very light and they can be moved from one place to another through wind. The second is dispersal by water. Some fruits and plants, they can move some fruits and seeds, they can also move from one place to another. They float on water and the water carries the fruits away from the parent plant. In this reference I can show you the three examples. One is the your familiar coconut, and then nipa and the pong pong. These two are new for you. These seeds can travel long and for sometimes even cross the entire oceans. Now for in this reference you can see the dispersal of seeds by explosion action. If this happens that fruits that disperse their seeds by explosive action, or they split when their pods dry and ripe, and when they are ripe they crack and open with a force and then throw the seeds from away from the parent plant. In this reference I can show you these two. You can see the two seeds. These are the examples of explosive action. They explode and then their seeds will travel from one place to another. Then the last is dispersal by animals, birds, human beings and insects. Now these dispersals rely on these animals and human beings. You know, when animals eat any fruit, they don't eat everything. They eat a little and then throw it away. See, they eat a little and then throw it over another place. Wherever they throw these fruits, another fruits grow because they have seeds inside. In the same way, human beings also throw the seeds after they have eaten the fruit. Sometimes these fruits are swallowed also. Sometimes they swallow the fruit also. And then when they do the stool, that seeds come out and they form another plant, because these seeds go in the that place and then they become a new plant. So that was the work that we studied today, and then I gave one homework, that was what is fertilization, and you know the answer, that is the fusion of the male and female reproductive part. And then seed dispersal, when seeds are scattered from one place to another with the help of the four agents: wind, water, explosive action, human beings, animals, birds, and insects. And then you have to draw the diagram that I explained you. That's on that page. It shows fertilization. If you want, you can draw this and these diagrams also as well. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.